Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the Excel mid function, which allows you to extract a specific number of characters from a text string at a given position. The mid function is categorized under text functions in Excel and is available in various versions, including Excel 2016, 2013, 2010, 2007, 2003, XP, 2000, and 2011 for Mac. The syntax of the mid function is straightforward. Equals mid, text, start underscore num underscore chars. Where, text, is the text string from which you want to extract a substring, start underscore num, is the position of the first character you want to extract, and num underscore chars, is the number of characters you want to extract. To use the mid function, simply enter the formula. Equals mid, b1, 5, 10. To extract 10 characters starting at the fifth character of the text string in cell B1. It's important to note a few things when using the mid function. If the start underscore num is greater than the length of the text, mid will return an empty text. If start underscore num is less than 1 or num underscore chars is negative, mid will return a #value. Error. To split text in numbers, you can use a formula with min, find, and len functions within the left function, and right function for extracting numbers. To split a text string into an array where each character is an element, you can use a formula with mid, row, indirect, and len functions. The mid function is a powerful tool in Excel for manipulating text strings. With these examples and techniques, you can perform a variety of text extraction tasks to suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try out the mid function with your own Excel data for more personalized results.